In order to add content items to your unit, you first want to click on the unit heading, and then you would want to click on the unit heading as author, and then you get this window where it says you can add unit content items. So we're going to click on unit content items, and then as you click on that item, you will get a window where you can choose to add this content, and we're going to add it with a placeholder. And what that placeholder is a tab that will appear under your unit, so students know they can go there to get information. And then you want to give your item a name, so let's call this maybe lecture. And then we need to select a type. So I believe we will call this, we'll do text multimedia content manager because that allows us to change it in our master course and in the semester that we're teaching. So that's what we want to do. And I'm going to save items and add more because I'm going to continue to add items. So you can just keep adding items, and you can also, on this, while you're adding items, you can also create Dropbox baskets, and you can also hide the item from students if you want to wait until you have it completed before you allow them to see it. So that's something that you might want to do if you were working in an existing term where you had students in the class. So let's create an assignment. So I'm going to create an assignment. And then we're going to choose to make that assignment a text multimedia. You also notice that you can do threads, and we're going to create that Dropbox, and then you just can continue to add these to each of your units, and you're ready to go. Since you've already created those items, you can also go to Unit 2, and you can also select that existing name if you've already named it. So that's how you add items to each of your units. You just have to be under that unit heading and the author mode, and then you click content items, and then you add items. So that's all you need to do, is just to continue adding your items, and if you want to go to Unit 2, then you would just click on Unit 2 and continue adding.